Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today we are tackling a frustrating issue many of us face: Netflix buffering on your smart TV. If you are tired of those endless loading circles, stick around because I have got some proven fix for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First thing first, let's ensure your internet connection is up to speed. Slow internet can lead to buffering. Here's how to check. Go to your smart TV settings, navigate to network or internet settings, check the speed test to see if it meets Netflix recommended speed of at least 3 Mbps for SD and 5 Mbps for HD. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonder. Power off your smart TV and modem routers. Wait for at least 30 seconds. Power them back on and check Netflix again. Step 3. Position your router strategically. The placement of your router can affect your Wi-Fi signals. Keep it away from walls and obstructions. Place it in the center location for better coverage. Step 4. Update your smart TV software. Up-to-date software can cause streaming issues. Check for update in your TV settings, download and install any available updates. Step 5. Use an Ethernet cables wired connections. For the most stable connection, consider using an Ethernet cables. Connect one end to your smart TV and another to the router, the minimizing Wi-Fi interference and improve speed. Step 6. Adjust Netflix playback settings. You can optimize Netflix settings for smoother streaming. Log into Netflix on a browser, go to settings, playback settings. Adjust video quality to a lower settings if your connection is slow. Step 7. Check for app or device issues. Sometimes the problem lies with Netflix app itself. Force stop the app and reopen it. Uninstall and reinstall the Netflix app if issues persist. Step 8. Contact your internet service provider. If none of these fixes work, it might be an issue with your ISP. Contact their customer support for further assistance. They can diagnose and resolve your internet related issues. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Netflix buffering issue on your smart TV and enjoy uninterrupted streaming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and happy streaming.